So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today is the day 6 of our February daily LeetCode challenge, and today we have this easy problem 1470, shuffle the array. So in this problem you are given an array nums consisting of 2n elements, and it is in the form x1, x2, x3, xn, then y1, y2 up to yn, and you have to return the array in the form of x1, y1, comma x2, y2 up to xn, yn. So you have to shuffle this array. So consider this input 2, 5, 1, 3, 4, 7. It is of size 2 into n, means 2 into 3, 6, and you have to return in this order, like 2, then the first element from the second half 3, then second element 5, and then second element from the second half 4, and then 1, and then 7. So this is a very pretty simple problem, and there are basically two approaches. I will tell you the approach, a simpler approach. There is one more approach in the LeetCode official solution, which is around bit manipulation. Yes, you can check that also, but I have done it from the simple approach because like the time complexity and space complexity is the same in this approach also, but in this approach it is in place filling, like we don't have to create a new array. The original given array will only be modified here, but this is a bit what you can say, a bit complex approach, and it is less intuitive to come up with this approach at the first glance. But you can read about this if you want. I'll be explaining the simpler one, which is more intuitive. So consider this case. Now how we have to shuffle this array. This is our input. It consists of two arrays of size n, that is the total length of the array is 2 cross n. It consists of two arrays of size n. So we have to shuffle something like, we have to consider the first element from the first, and this first element from the second half. Then we consider the second element from the first half. We consider the second element from the second half. We consider the third element from the first half, and then we consider the third element from the second half. I hope this is clear to you. So now I hope this is clear to you all. So now let's see how we can just implement it. So let's create a vector, output vector. It will be of size 2 cross n. Now what we are doing, we are just simply traversing for one half. We can say, like, we can traverse from 1 to n, and in result I array, or I should say result 2 into I array, we will fill nums I array, and in result 2 into I plus 1, we are filling like for 0, for the first iteration 0, we fill the 0 with the num 0, and then we fill nums 0 plus 1, that is result of 1, with nums of n plus I, that is 3 plus 4. This 3 is at the index 0, 1, 2, 3. So we are filling it with the index n plus I. Now for the second iteration, you can see when the I equals to 1, so we fill result of 2, that is 0, 1, 2. We result of 2 is equals to nums of I, that is 5, and result of 2 into I plus 1, that is result of 3, is equals to n plus I, that is result of 4, which is 4. And at the end we just simply return a result array. So run this. If you don't consider the output vector space, so this is this O of 1 space complexity and O of n time, we have just made an output array. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you tomorrow.